How to add P-EBT card to provider's app. Steps to add your P-EBT card. Download the app. If you haven't already, download the relevant provider's app from your app store. Create or log into your account. Open the app and either create a new account or log into your existing one. Find the EBT management section. Look for a section within the app dedicated to managing your EBT card. This might be labeled EBT, Benefits, My Account, or something similar. Add your P-EBT card. Follow the instructions provided by the app to add your P-EBT card. This may involve entering the P-EBT card number, providing the cardholder's name, selecting the state that issued the benefits. Verify the information. Double-check the information you entered to ensure accuracy. Save the changes. Save the added card information to your account. Thanks for watching.